Brendan?
I'm back here.
You know where it says frag pack?
Yeah.
Good morning, good morning, good
As a
morning.
sniper.
You have to be 16 quid to buy them.
I
15.
We have arrived, haven't we?
Yeah, but we're super early.
We are super early.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Well, we're like 15 minutes early, but I'd rather that than be 15 minutes late.
Suppose so.
Yeah.
Fair reasoning.
I thought so too. Are we looking forward to it?
Yes. I can't wait to shoot Kenzie.
Kenzie, poor you.
Why did I immediately think of the...
Are you guys looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Well, one of you looks
sound so
excited.
enthusiastic.
One of you looks excited.
He's not all that expression. Someone tugged on my thing.
So typical me, I want to go and get snacks and some drinks because it's actually cheaper than buying it here. And some milk and stuff so I can just help myself to tea and coffee and what have you. And came across an injured bird. It's a pheasant. I'll be honest, he's really not looking great. His eye is white. He's in a pretty bad way. And it's either the smell of the farm, because my van now stinks of farm because the tracks we have to go down and it's pretty gross. I'm gonna have to wash Spog tonight. And if it's not that, then it's the smell of infection and impending death. But I just couldn't leave it on the side of the road. So I've wrapped it in the blanket, as I do, and I'm just gonna leave him in the van. And if he's still alive when we leave here in about 3 hours, then I'll drive off to the local animal rescue centre. See what happens. Kids have just been back for a snack, top up on paintballs, and they've just gone back for another game. I think we're going to be here till about 3:30 by the sound of it. I wasn't expecting that. I forgot actually they'd got lunch as part of the package as well. It's a bit cheeky really because it's a pot noodle, which let's be honest we can get for under £1 and they're like $2.99 or something if you were to buy them. But we've upgraded for a hot dog. So literally, my kids have had hot dogs for 3 days in a row now, but they've upgraded to a hot dog, which we pay half of the price of. So I'm paying about £2 towards a hot dog each. Because again, they're £4 for a hot dog. I mean, I can see where these guys are making their money. So they do these packages to get you here. But what we didn't realise is that they recommend 100 paintballs per game. There's no way we can afford 100. They've got like 5 games and paintballs are £10 per 100. That's not happening. None of these kids can afford 50 quid each on paintballs. So you get the first 100 free with your pack. And because we haven't had to pay for this, because this is part of a gift, what I've done is I bought the 1,000 paintballs for £80 because Connor's going to give me £20. Brendan's friend Callum is giving me £20 and then I'm paying £20 for each of my boys for top-ups, and that means they're £8 per 100. So the price is actually better than it would be if we were buying 1,000, you know, but it's still stupid money. It's £1 a ball. I mean, someone's seriously making money on that. I don't know how much the markup is on this with these guys. I have no idea, but it's flipping expensive. So yeah, I have actually just gone and fueled up my car as well, ready for not this weekend but next weekend when I go away. I've got the kettle on for a nice cup of tea. There we go. Brendan's friend is incredibly shy, bless him. He literally will not make eye contact with you and mumbles, which makes it very hard when there's lots of noise going on to actually get anything out of him. Like, is this what you want to do? Do you want to come in on these, or do you want to spend your £20 on getting, but you'll get more for your money this way? And it's like, he's kind of, but we're used to that. You know, Kenzie can be mute when he wants to. Right, kettle's boiled. I'm going to have a nice cup of tea and some chipsticks. I've just had a wrap. They didn't have anything at the garage that was suitable for me to be good, so I figured a wrap was better than a sandwich. Less bread. It's a cool place though, this Delta Force. Apparently they're the biggest paintball company in the country, whatever it is. But They are pretty good by the look of it. I mean, it's very well organised, really nice setup. Obviously, I can't see the woods where the kids are doing their paintballing because it's not safe, but the safe zone looks beautiful. Really nice. Toilets are nice. The setup's nice, well organised, nice sized car park, middle of nowhere. And it's autumn, so they're running around in autumn leaves in camo. I think they're probably much better camouflaged at this time of year than they would be, you know, in summer or what have you. And also, they're going to get quite hot running around all day out here. So it's probably better we did it. I'm glad it's not chucking it down. I was worried this morning because it was wet out there. Right, cup of tea. Well, he doesn't look great, but he's perked up since coming in the van. He's actually got himself out of the blanket and sat himself on the floor. His eyes are still not great though. I'm pretty certain he's blind in one eye, for absolute sure. Some of the teams are coming back now. I think red team are out. My guys are green team, but it looks like red team are out because all the reds have come back in and there's still shooting going on. I scratched myself. I'm so covered in spots at the moment. Yes, I'll wait for green team to come back out and then I believe it'll be lunchtime. Maybe, I don't know, is it lunchtime for me? I don't know what the time is. Can I? No, can't check what the time is. Must be around that time. They're having hot dogs again. That's 3 days in a row my kids have had hot dogs. I never feed my kids hot dogs. And it turns out they're having hot dogs here as well. So yeah. Wow. But I've got all sorts of other things. Crisps, cakes, nothing particularly healthy. Tinned peaches, if they fancy tinned peaches. All sorts of bits and bobs in the van. Plus bits that I went and got from the garage. And I've got water. And I've got tea. Although there's tea making facilities. They just help themselves to tea and coffee over there. Yeah. I guess I'll see them in a minute. Yeah, you have to come here though. How you guys doing?
It looks okay.
He's perking up, although he's very blind looking, but he's perking up. He's actually got down, so. Okay, so Connor, this is yours. It had the extra 10 balls in it.
Thank you.
So that's yours.
Thank you very
How
much.
many have you had?
I'm not needing mine at the moment.
Yeah, but how many did you have?
They said I had
50 or
150 left.
150 left. Okay, there's another 100 there. You had 100, did you?
No,
Or did you have 50?
50.
Okay.
Have some
I had a few
Doritos,
candies
please.
though.
Sorry?
Have some Doritos, please.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they're both good.
Share these. He's walking around.
You're really hurt.
It smells like death.
No, that's the van. The van smells like death because I've driven through farmyard puddles and it's absolutely disgusting. I'm really sorry, but we got to drive back through those puddles again on the way out. It's just it's the way it directs you. You've got
He's pooped himself, you know.
on my floor.
Yeah.
Nice. So who's winning? It's a draw, is it? Between what? All of you, all teams. The red came back early. Oh, so it's red and green. Well, who are the blue then? Because I noticed red came back first, so I wondered if maybe they'd lost.
We're against Brown, so
Oh, okay.
we do tech.
Oh, right. Yeah. Have a great time, guys. I'll see you when you come back for more refreshments. And you, we're upgrading to hot dogs, so I'll give you my card. You can go over and upgrade to your hot dogs. Okay. Have fun. They're all looking remarkably clean. Kenzie has one bullet on the shoulder that I've seen, but the rest of them hardly look like they've been shot. I'm impressed. Kenzie did say he got shot in the back, so maybe that's the one. But he said he got shot in the back by his own teammate. I guess they've got, I don't know, different coloured bullets? I don't know. They all look blue to me. Where's your mask?
Back up there.
I wanted to show, I wanted it on camera.
Record it there.
Where is it? Did you get shot? Yeah, I can't see it. Go turn it round.
Me and the parent in the red hood.
Yeah.
The absolute mad lad.
Shot in the head.
They're flashbangs.
It doesn't count, so I got to keep living.
What, because you got shot in the head?
They're flashbangs.
But the basically, we decided to plonk ourselves right where the objective was for the opposite team.
Okay.
And when I was running low on ammo, the guy with me, the red hooded parent, actually handed me some ammo.
Oh, did he? Oh, bless.
To support, because we were just
Working together.
We were on perfection.
Excellent.
He eventually got shot in the arm, and I was like, no, brother!
No, brother! No. Right, Kenzie, stop eating cake. You've got to go and get hot dogs.
I would like another cake.
You can. Have a cake.
Consume.
And then I think those other ones are your friends' cakes if they want them, because Kenzie's been eating quite a lot. Right, here, you need the cash card. Because we need to upgrade to hot dogs. So give them my name and tell them you were upgrading from your pot noodles to your hot dogs. Okay? Go give your friend a cake. He's very shy, isn't he, your friend? Connor looks like he's aching. Gone to get their food. Good hot dog? You've literally been living off hot dogs for 3 days now. I never get you hot dogs. And then you've ended up with hot dogs 3 days in a row. You're going to turn into a hot dog. You got my card there? Or is he... My card? Ah, thank you. Got yours?
No, I got to wait for 5 minutes.
Oh, why? They're not ready?
Just don't have enough already.
Alright, okay. Worn out now? You're protecting little kids who've got shot in the hand?
Yeah.
So they can actually make you bleed then, those things?
Yeah, it can go through skin.
Ouch!
I got shot
Poor
on the side,
thing.
but it reflected, and that's even more painful because it doesn't hit on impact. It
Alright.
hits it and then bounces off.
Oh, right, okay.
I don't
Do
see
you know
any-
who's winning, or is it still...
I don't know yet.
Don't know yet. So how many more games you got left?
I don't know. Some people are already leaving.
Are they? It's 8. Is it raining out there now? Oh. It's 8 games, isn't it, I think, for the day? What have you done?
I think we've had more than 8.
6?
I think we've had more than 8.
I think Brendan's coming for a top-up.
I shot someone on the
You
left
alright?
and fall over.
Yeah.
This is your bowl. This is all you've got left.
Yeah, I think I'll do the last round.
Okay.
You're going to miss the box.
Are you lot getting tired? If you want to,
and low on ammo.
okay, if you lot want to skip the last round, is this the second to last round?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to use all your ammo though in this one?
Yeah, this is my last bowl of ammo.
Okay, go and ask the guys then if they want to do it all in this last round, or if they want to stay to the end. If you guys are getting worn out. This was a bomb defusal. Oh. So this is the last round then. You're not staying for the very last. You're all tired. And you're running out of ammo, aren't you? And I'm not buying any more.
Okay, I've got box. You know, you're not spending £80. Come on.
It's a lot of money. See, I got my maths wrong. The kids put me in my place. Not a pounder thing. It's 10p. I can't count. I can't do
You
maths.
bought 1,000, so it'll be £1,000.
Yeah, I know. I'm really not very good at my maths, am I?
And you don't have that many.
You've got a wasp there under your armpit. I'm really not very good at this whole maths thing. So it's 10p a ball. That's far more reasonable. Although I'm sure you can make them cheaper. I'm not. What I am thinking though, are these biodegradable? I'm just thinking we're doing this and they're leaving little plastic casing all over the place. It's probably really not eco-friendly at all, is it? Do they go and clear up all the paintballs?
Don't think so. Because there's still a bunch on the floor. We go in there.
It's not great, is it?
The ones that me and Connor went to are. They're really squishy.
Yeah. And I noticed over there for the coffee and tea section bit in that kitchen, they've got polystyrene cups. That's not good. Should at least go with like paper or something. They need to rethink their eco footprint, but I guess you could make paint that's eco-friendly and a casing for them.
Yeah.
Something for Delta Force to think about.
If we're ever going to do it again, we should do, what's it called? Weekend Warriors, because they fill it up every round.
What, for free?
Yeah.
Ah, that sounds cheaper.
I can buy like there's lots of them, and then you can buy different guns. Best is 15, and it's really good.
Is it? Well, you still have to be able to aim it.
I can. I got over 100 kills there.
What, today? How do you know?
No.
Oh. How do you know how many shots? Oh, right, okay. Have you shot lots of people today? Yeah.
About 10, I think, altogether today. I'm a murderer.
How terrible. That looks like one of those bottles that they have in hospitals for men to wee in. As he puts it to his mouth. It does, it looks like one of those wee bottles for men. Like a bedpan thing.
That was literally it.
Move over, Brendan.
I stormed the house.
You can talk and I'll get a picture.
I got shot at by a teammate. Callum shot me in the hand, but I'm going to...
He just doesn't stop talking, does he?
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Dancing through the last days of September.
you are looking a lot perkier, you still smell like death. You're pooping a lot. And both your eyes are open. Well, no, one of your eyes is open. I can't see the other one. And it's not white. That's an improvement. You're definitely looking healthier. We'll see. Well, that's your lot. We're all home. The boys' friends have gone home. The pheasant has been delivered to the animal rescue centre. Really don't know how he's going to do. And I'm now in a bath. I made a bit of a bath bomb faux pas, which is leaving an interesting sensation on my body. Kathy, where it said steamers, I completely missed that and threw 2 of those into my bath. 2 halves. Then afterwards, when I was hit by the eucalyptus, it cleared everything. Yep, it cleared my nose, my eyes, whoa, everything. And I got in the bath, and the bath is hot, but my bottom, where the steamery bit lay, seems to have this weird cold sensation. I think I might have overdone the eucalyptus steamers. They're meant to go in the shower, aren't they? Is that right? Not entirely sure. But I got it wrong and I've put them in the bath. It is the weirdest sensation ever. Like I'm hot and cold simultaneously, and it moves around my body in hot and cold waves. Really, really odd. Not totally unpleasant, but very, very odd. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I think my man is home. I need to drink my tea, and I wanna relax for the rest of the evening. So I'll see you lovely lot tomorrow. Thanks for watching.